Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is SAMPATH. You're watching SAMPATH's YouTube channel, and recently I made this MacBook Air unboxing and Mi 11X unboxing also. If you are still not subscribe it. I am SAMPATH, and this Mi 11X I am using it. Some are complaining about black rust issues that will be addressed very soon. I am testing it out. And this MacBook Air M1, I got a product related to that, and I also posted a video on this Toshiba hard disk drive external storage. It's really useful for beginners. You can look out that video. Here I'll put the cards, and this is the Amazon package. There's like a sleeve bag for this MacBook Air. I'll unbox it. Sleeve. And if first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you still not, and give it a like, guys. I will get motivated to make this kind of videos 3 times better. For your just one like, give it a like. And it was like, it has with 2 colors, and I have ordered this denim color. It's like grey type, which fits to my MacBook Air. Let's see. It has with 13-inch and even somewhat 13.3 inch. I ordered 13.3 inch. It has this kind of chip to keep charger or any like this storage drives or pen drives. You can keep in that. And there is also a sleeve. Initial impressions, the zip is very nice, and this how inside cabin looks. As you can see, you can keep the lap, and here it has smooth texture, the cotton smooth texture here. It's really good. It will make your, like, if I keep this one here, I'll show you. It fits completely fine. You can hold like this, or else you can hold like this also. Many people hold like this. It depends upon you. You can hold like this also. It's fine. It's only 1.3 kg. You can hold like this. It's fine. The inside material, the what they have given is very good, and the fabric material outside is also very good. I bought it around like 1300, I guess. I'll put the link in the description. You can check out. And because of this smooth cotton like material what they have used, because of that your laptop is protected a little bit, and it's also like waterproofing material inside, but still you can use any waterproofing covers also. This is how the bag unboxing. This is the sleeve bag unboxing in this video. And if you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit down subscribe down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And lots of videos coming this month. Stay tuned to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you in another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.